The distributive property of multiplication says that if I have a number or variable outside a set of other numbers or variables inside parentheses, and they're being added or subtracted, like say 3 plus 4, that this 5 times 3 plus 4 is the same as 5 times 3 plus 5 times 4. It's called distributive. An easy way to remember that is I am distributing this 5 throughout all the terms or numbers inside those parentheses. This is going to apply no matter how many terms are inside the parentheses. It can go on forever. To do this, you would simply multiply this outside number or variable by each term inside the parentheses. This also applies if I keep saying variable because it applies here too, if I had a variable on the outside, change that to a minus. Same principle applies. I would distribute by multiplying this x by each term individually inside the parentheses. So this would give me my x times x squared is x cubed, x times positive x there is x squared, and x times a negative 3 would be negative 3x. If you would like a more in-depth explanation for why and how this works, as well as some full examples, please click on the long-form video linked in the description below. And if this was helpful or useful in any way, please like, share, or subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a great day. Bye!